Open house Thursday, August 18, 2022, from 5 to 7 p.m. Looking for your own rural property just minutes from Bismarck? This property has a lot to offer with new siding, roof, exterior doors, excluding sliding glass door, and many new appliances. The deck is maintenance-free and faces the west. Enjoy watching the sunset across the large backyard. The home sits on 2.51 acres with many fruit trees and well water on a spigot system throughout the backyard to conveniently take care of them. A sprinkler system services the front yard and backyard, to where the spigots start. Inside, there are 2 bedrooms and 1 full bathroom on each floor. The vaulted ceiling and large windows let the sunshine in. Downstairs, enjoy quiet evenings by the gas fireplace with your own built-in bar. The bar has a mini fridge also. The 3-stall garage is insulated, heated, and has cold/hot water. There is a generator hookup with cable on the north side of the house.